Now, let's answer some important questions. Can you think of any other way in which you use the warmth from your breath? We can use the warmth from the breath for the redness of the eye or any injury by blowing it onto the handkerchief and keeping it on the redness of the eye. It gives relief by doing so. So children, whenever you feel your eyes are hurting or you have pain in your eyes, what you can do, you can take one handkerchief, blow on it and softly put it on your eye, and you will feel that you will get some relief. Can you name some things which produce melodious or pleasing sounds when we blow into them? Yes, some musical instruments which produce melodious or pleasing sounds when we blow air into them are flute, mouth organ or harmonica, bean, banjo, trumpet, etc. So these are some of the instruments which make beautiful music or musical sounds when we blow air on them. Have you seen someone blowing on their spectacles to wipe them clean? How does the air from the mouth help in cleaning the spectacles? The air blown from the mouth is hot and the glass of the spectacles is comparatively colder. The hot air we breathe out contains water vapor which turns into tiny droplets of water when it comes in contact with the colder glass. This makes the glass moist and wiping it can clean the spectacles. Breathing rate or respiratory rate. A person's respiratory rate is the number of breaths he or she takes per minute. That means in 1 minute, how many breaths you have taken will be your respiratory rate. But you remember, when we inhale and then exhale, one inhalation and exhalation is counted as one breath. Okay? So inhale, then exhale, that is 1. The normal respiration rate for an adult at rest is 12 to 20 breaths per minute, and for a school-going age child is 18 to 30 breaths per minute. So you can also count your own breathing rate, but you remember it doesn't have to be same for everyone. Okay, it can differ from person to person. Next is heart rate or pulse. Heart rate is the speed of the heartbeat measured by the contractions of the heart per minute. Or in simple terms, heart rate is the number of times your heart beats in 1 minute. So just like breathing rate, you can also count your heart rate. For that, what you should do, you should keep one clock or one watch in front of you and put your right hand on your left chest. That is where your heart is located. So in complete silence, you see the time when it starts and how many times your heart is making noise, the lub-dub sound. We say dhak-dhak, right children? But actually it is lub-dub. So lub-dub sound, how many times your heart is beating in 1 minute will be your heart rate. And again, heart rate can also differ from person to person. So I hope that you have understood the small story about blowing hot and blowing cold and heartbeat and our heartbeat rate and respiratory rate. So in the next video we will meet again. For now, thank you.